Hey everyone, I'm Joanne Smith and welcome to Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to keep your sewing machine pedal in place. These are the materials you're going to need. This is just easy liner. It's a shelf liner, grippy shelf liner that you can get at Walmart or Dollar Tree or wherever. Of course, you're going to need your sewing machine pedal. I have a hot glue gun and scissors. And what we're going to do, we're going to take our sewing machine pedal, we're going to flip it upside down and I've already cut this out of this piece, but what you want to do, you want to line it up on top of your pedal, on the bottom of your pedal, and then just cut this off. And that's what I've done with this piece. And all we're going to do is get our hot glue gun and we're going to hot glue this to the bottom of our sewing machine pedal. You can add your hot glue along the edge and then press that down. And then do the sides the same way. And I'm just running mine along the shelf liner here. And then press that down. And just do that to all your sides. After you get it glued down on all four sides and let it dry for a minute, then you can flip it over. See, it's going nowhere. It's moving everything but the pedal. So that's just a cute little tip there for you. If you've enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you soon.